Just look at these sample videos for a second. Surprise! Every video you've seen so far wasn't made with Veo3. They were actually created using Hailuo AI 02. Pretty impressive, right? Let me know your thoughts on the video quality down in the comments. So now, let's put it to the test ourselves and see if this model really lives up to the hype. Before we continue, if you're a student, copywriter, scriptwriter, or anyone who uses AI writing tools, I've got something amazing for you. Let me introduce you to WalterWrites AI, the sponsor of today's video. It can take your AI-generated text and turn it into content that sounds 100% natural and human. Let me show you how it works. Here's an article I just created using ChatGPT. Now, I'll copy this text and paste it into GPT-0, which checks whether the text is written by AI. I click scan and boom, it shows the article is 100% AI generated and 0% human. Now let's go to WalterWrites AI. I click on Humanize AI Text and paste the same article here. Now it will scan the entire article, and within seconds, it rewrites the content in a natural human tone. To prove it, I'll copy this new version and paste it back into GPT-0. And just look at that. Now it says the article is 94% human and only 6% AI. This is such a magical tool that can make your ChatGPT generated article feel completely authentic. So if your content ever sounds robotic or too stiff and you want that human touch, WalterWrites AI is a total game changer. The link is in the description below. Please check it out once. Let's come to the point. So first of all, head over to Hailuo AI. I've shared the link in the description below. Once you sign up, you'll instantly get 500 free credits. All right, now go to the video section. Here you can see a few videos I've already generated just for testing. On the dashboard, you'll find three main features: image to video, text to video, and subject reference. I'll start with the text to video feature first because this is where the magic happens. So let's type in our very first prompt, which is, a camera tracks an astronaut walking on the surface of the moon. I'll just copy and paste this right here. Now, if you want to add realistic camera motion to your video, all you need to do is click on this little icon. You'll see a whole list of camera control options. Basically, this allows you to add cinematic camera movements to your video. All right, I'll go ahead and select the first motion option for now. Next, we move to the settings panel where we can configure both the resolution and the duration of the video. The best part is that Hailuo allows you to generate videos in up to 1080p full HD quality. But for this test, I'm going to set it to 768p. For the duration, I'll set it to 6 seconds. There's also an option to increase the quantity of videos. But for this test, I'll keep it at just one video to make things simple. In the model section, make sure you select Hailuo 2.0. This is their latest AI model. Once all of this is set, just click on create. All right, guys, the video is now generating. It doesn't take long. Usually, it's done within 30 seconds max. And done. Now just look at this. The video has been generated, and wow, look at the quality. It looks so realistic. Pay attention to the camera control. It feels just like a real cinematic shot. The video stability is amazing, and even the way the legs move, the steps, and the hand movements, everything is so smooth and natural. There's no weird overlapping, no glitches, nothing that would make it look fake or broken. You can even see the astronaut's shadow on the ground, and it looks so perfectly natural. I'm completely satisfied with this result. All right, let's move on and generate another video. Here's my next prompt. Spaceship landing on a desert planet with twin suns. Cinematic, dusty lens effect. This time, I'm not going to add any camera control. I'll just paste the prompt and hit create. Okay, the video's ready, and just look at this. The result is honestly pretty solid. The dust and sand effects look super realistic, and the overall environment feels natural and cinematic. The only thing I feel is that the landing speed of the spaceship seems a bit too fast. In reality, a spaceship would usually descend a bit slower, but for an AI-generated shot, this is still very impressive. Anyway, let's try another one. This time, my prompt is, two characters fighting on the wing of a flying airplane, cinematic wide shot with clouds rushing past. Here, I'll add right circling camera motion to make the shot more dynamic. Then, I hit create. And look at this video. It's super cinematic. The camera movement is absolutely stunning, and the clouds in the background look really natural as they rush past. However, if you look closely, you'll notice that in some frames, the characters' faces are slightly blurred, and in certain moments, you might even see a missing hand or limb. It's not perfect yet, but it's still crazy to see what AI can do. Now, let's create one more video. This time, I've got another cool prompt. A sports car drifting around a corner in a mountain road chase, cinematic tracking tracking shot with dust trails. I'll paste this prompt, apply the same camera motion, and hit generate. Just take a look at this. The car's drift looks so natural. The way it's sliding across the curve feels like a real action movie sequence. And the camera tracking? It's mind-blowing. I even checked this video frame by frame, and honestly, I'm amazed by the quality. I also generated another video that looks straight up cinematic, like it could be part of a big budget action movie. The hero's expressions, the camera control, the broken rope bridge swaying in the wind, and even the dust particles flying in the air. Everything feels incredibly realistic. So as you can see, Hailuo 02 is insanely powerful as a video model. Now I'm curious, do you guys think it can really compete with Google's Veo 3? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Alright, now let's try out the image to video feature. So I'll simply go to image to video. Here, I'm going to upload an image. It's a close-up shot of a supercar's tire. In the prompt section, I'll type in my prompt, I'll keep the settings the same as before, and then I'll hit create. Okay, the video is now generating. While this one is processing, let's upload another image in which a girl is sitting in the car and probably making a video. For this one, I'll add a short and simple prompt like, a girl is vlogging in a moving car, and then hit create again. Alright, both videos have been generated, and wow, the quality is just amazing. The camera control is working perfectly, giving the video a very dynamic and natural feel. Although in the last second of the car shot, I noticed something a bit odd. The front view of the car suddenly feels like it's showing the back view. I'm sure you can notice it too, but that's probably because of the way the shot is generated. Now let's check the vlogging video, and honestly, this one blew my mind. Just look at the expressions on the girl's face. It's so realistic that it almost feels like a real person is sitting there vlogging in a moving car. This video hands down feels super powerful. So now you've seen how insanely powerful the new Hailuo 02 model is. Without a doubt, you can generate videos here that are on the level of Google's Veo 3, maybe even better in some cases. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then please make sure to like this video. I've noticed that many of you guys don't comment or even turn on the notification bell. Only a few people actually get my video updates, and honestly, that's a bit disappointing. And don't forget, if you want your AI written content to sound 100% human, check out WalterWrites AI. The link is right below in the description.